So what we're going to do, we're going to put one of these corrugated tank fittings, corrugated tank outlet, into this guy here. So first of all we take the nut off, and the red fibre washer, what that does, that stops the nut from balling up the rubber washer. We have a concave and a convex rubber washer. So that's the fitting. First things first, safety gear on. What I like to do is I like to use a step drill, and this is to drill a pilot hole. I just find it's a lot better and a lot easier, because when you drill a pilot hole using the hole saw, a lot of times it'll grab, particularly on the corrugated iron, and it'll want to bend and or bust the drill. So, rightio, there's that. Now, it's a fairly messy job. So what I've used here is a 1 7/16 or 37mm. That's the auger and the hole saw. Okay, so now it's the assembly. So all we're going to do, pop the washer and bolt through. And around this side, the rubber washer goes on. Then the fibre washer. And we're going to use a bit of time lapse. So cut. Okay, so this is now just going to tighten this up. With a spanner, and that's it, done.